Hi guys, today happy Easter, and I'm in Brooklyn, New York like yesterday, and let's see what we got here. So we got an Avengers Easter basket.
Wow, that's the one you wanted, right?
Yeah.
Boop. That's okay.
Yeah. And now let's open it up. First we need scissors. I got some scissors.
Well, you just can unravel that. That
this?
that comes right out. Guys, make sure you subscribe to Lake's Playland, okay? He's out here in his pajamas for you guys.
Because I didn't want my messy clothes.
Well,
my messy school clothes to get messy.
well, he didn't wear school clothes today. We've been home, but
Oh,
wow. You're going to need the scissors for the treats that are inside.
oh, for the bag?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what we're gonna get first. We're gonna get this.
Oh.
Now let's open it up with the scissors. Wait, this would be cool.
Be careful, bud.
I need help.
Wait.
So let's open this 5 surprise thingy.
It's a 5 surprise toy egg.
Yeah.
All of them are childproof, even though they're for kids. So I had to open up all of the eggs, but we'll tell you what they were. Let's keep opening.
Let's open that.
So what's inside? It's supposed to be 5 surprise toys.
Let's rip this one off. Whoa.
Are they stickers?
I think they are. They are stickers.
Okay, they're kind of girly, guys. I don't know what that's about, but
That means we could give them. But this one looks like a tattoo, I think.
okay. So let's move on to the next side.
No. This side now. Wait, how do you do this?
Boy, your guess is as good as mine.
Oh, let's do that.
We'll just do 2 of them now, and then you can do the rest later. And then move on to another egg. Because he has a PJ Masks egg and a Paw Patrol egg. Oh, wow.
Wait, maybe?
Oh, it's a cute little rabbit.
Yeah. Let's go to the next one.
Oh, you want to keep going? Okay.
Okay. Wait a minute. Just do that. Now. Go. Wait a minute. Wait.
How about you open one of the other eggs?
No, I think I'm gonna open these 3 more.
Okay.
I can't open them.
Yeah, so let's move on. You can open them after.
I think I need the scissors to do that.
Here.
Okay. Wait. I don't they have this. Oh, this is just a different thing. It has a ring.
Oh, wow. It's a bunny rabbit ring?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, this is really girly, guys. I didn't realize it was girls. They didn't make it seem that way. They had like
a boy one?
Yeah, they had like boy stuff. See, it just says 5 different toys, and they had like boy stuff on it. So I had no idea that it was like girly toys. Those are his brother's sneakers in the corner.
What's this? That's cool.
Yeah, if you're a girl. So that's like a dud. And guys, never fear. You'll eventually see me and not just hear me. I have to get a tripod thingy for the camera. In due time.
This one never opened up. Okay. Oh, tape.
Wow, it's like rainbow tape.
Whoa.
Wow.
Now let's go on to the next eggs. Put these right at the side next to me.
Okay. And that was the Avengers basket. I found it at CVS, and I just added some goodies inside of it. So these are the goodies that I added to the basket.
This.
Whoa, is that from Good Dinosaur?
Yeah, now let's open it up and see what see which thing you got.
Wow.
Wait, it's a fake egg. I didn't know.
Wow,
like those Kinder Joy. Like those Kinder eggs.
Yeah, no, what's his name in the movie?
Arlo.
That's
and the little one Spot.
Yes, Arlo and Spot. You guys see it?
Yeah.
Did you guys see this movie, The Good Dinosaur?
Yeah,
it's really good family fun. So let's look at the egg.
It's for kids.
Yeah, it was really good, right? Wow! There's a marshmallow Arlo inside, guys, just like in the movie.
I think this is a peep.
Yes, it is. Wow.
Have you guys eat peeps before? They're really good.
Yeah, let's see. Taste Arlo. It's like really dark, but let's taste Arlo. Oh, okay.
It's chocolate.
Ew. What?
Bro.
Excuse the knot on his head. He walked into the wall earlier, guys. Ew. So that's a no.
Yeah.
I guess it tastes like chocolate from being inside of chocolate. Who is that, Lake? That's PJ Masks?
No, it's
Paw Patrol?
Paw Patrol. Now let's smash
It was a surprise. Oh.
Oh,
It was a surprise egg too, guys. Well, that's PJ Masks. Like I said, I opened them because, you know, they're not for kids to open. And then he has the Paw Patrol and the PJ Masks. Just crack it. What is happening?
I think I need something to smash it with.
Oh.
I think it's breaking.
Let me see, buddy.
Cause I was about
Open the other one, the Starburst Jelly Bean.
Let's open
one.
up this one. Actually,
Oh!
it comes with candy.
Oh, wow.
And this one comes with candy.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Because I hear candy in it.
Yeah, it's the
I
same
think
thing.
this one is gummy candy. Let's open up this one.
That's the Starburst Jelly Bean egg. Oh, taste it. The rug is clean, guys. It's brand new. From IKEA, by the way. Do you like
And they
jelly
have
beans?
a babysitting place there.
They have the babysitting play place in IKEA. Lake loves IKEA, guys. He loves the
Because they
babysitting
have
place.
the bullpen.
Are the jelly beans good?
Yeah, let's save them for later.
Okay. CV used to love jelly beans.
When he was little, how did you?
No, he liked them as a grown-up. I don't like jelly beans, but...
Because some of them have chocolate.
No, I just don't like them. We know what that is. Go to the basket. What else is in the basket, buddy?
Let's see.
You don't have to stick...
Stand up.
You didn't have to, but...
Okay, let's just knock them down.
Oh, okay. That's what we're doing. It's like toys over here.
I'm gonna check this out.
Okay, what are these cool Avengers toys?
Yeah, watch what's gonna happen.
Oh, that flew up and came back down. Because what goes up must come down.
So let's do this.
Okay, let's move on. And you had some peeps inside. Turn the... Oh.
Yeah. Put it
Yeah,
right
I'm not
here. Where the toys are at.
Let me see. Turn the basket back up.
Okay.
So, guys, what else is inside? Just let them know. It's getting
So
kind
we
of
have
long.
this. So let's take got this.
Is that like a paddle ball and
Yeah,
frisbee?
No, it's no.
Well, I do see a frisbee. You
Yeah,
kids don't
no,
know
this
about
is
frisbees.
like a frisbee.
And it's like a paddle ball set, and he has some peeps inside. Okay.
Oh, this is like a racket thing. Oh, it's for 2 players.
Yeah, so we're not going to do that. Take the peeps out so they can see the rest of the basket. Take the peeps out. Link, take the peeps out
Okay.
so then they can see. Now take the other one out. Sorry guys, we're learning as you're watching, so bear with us. Now bring me the basket back, Link. Bring the basket back.
And you could color this.
Oh, wow. Link, move over with the basket, please.
Okay.
There we go. So guys, so you
now
see, it had all these cool things inside. It's like a paddle ball set and an Avengers frisbee. And there's some jelly beans on the inside.
Yeah.
So what's up, bud? You finished?
No. Now let's... Actually, I don't want to make a mess on this, so you want to move on to the next surprise?
That's it.
No?
We-
No, see?
But we're not going to go through everything.
Yeah.
They can see it. So, bye, guys. Make sure you subscribe to Lake's Playland. We'll see you next. Okay, he's very upset that we're leaving you guys, but we're going to go, okay? So, Lake, what do you say?
Bye. Go to Lake's Playland.
Subscribe to Lake's Playland.
Bye.